Welcome everybody to today's session. Today we are going to learn or revise words related to electrical tools and equipment. Now we are going to be looking at these words right here: cutting pliers, insulation stripper, crimping tool, screwdrivers, multimeter or clamp meter, level, tool bag or toolbox, as well as wire puller and knife. Now, quick look at them one by one. What we have here is a tester. A tester is used to check the power supply availability. So once again, that's a tester. Next up, we've got a clamp meter. The clamp meter as well as the multimeter are used to measure the voltage and to test the continuity. So repeat 3 times if you wish. Clamp meter, and clamp meter once again. Alright, here we have a crimping tool. The crimping tool is used to fix the cable lugs for the cables. Okay, so again 3 times: crimping tool, and crimping tool. Alright, here's an easier one: a pair of cutting pliers. Okay, cutting pliers. They are used, well, as the name suggests, they are used to simply cut the cables. Okay, cutting pliers. Alright, next up we have got insulation stripper, and as the name suggests, an insulation stripper is used to remove the insulation from the wire. Okay, quite easy. The next one is a knife. The only thing you need to keep in mind is, of course, the spelling. So it's spelled K-N-I-F-E, but when you say the word, when you pronounce the word, you will simply say knife. Okay, so the K at the beginning is silent, not pronounced. Alright, again a fairly easy one, or at least a quite common one, is a screwdriver. A screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen screws. Okay, next up we've got a level. The level is basically used to check the leveling of the wire, so check if something is straight, horizontal or not. Okay, again an easy one: a toolbox, in this case to keep your tools. Of course, from workshop safety we know that it's very important to always put away the tools after using them, so toolbox in this case right here. Okay, now here we have a wire puller. The wire pullers are used, again as the name suggests, to pull the cables or wires through the pipes. Okay, so wire puller. Alright, in our next slide here we have got a quick task for you. Your job is to match each word with the correct image. The words are clamp meter, wire puller, crimping tool, knife, tester, and cutting pliers. I can give you now a couple of seconds. If you wish, take a screenshot and edit the picture. So just connect the words with the pictures, and then you can continue with the video to check your answers. Also, if you wish, you can just pause the video and just think over, only in your mind, what the name of each of these tools is. Okay, so that's 5 seconds. I don't need to wait any longer because you are pausing the video if you are doing the task anyway. So let's just check very quickly. Our first word here was clamp meter, and hopefully you connected it with the image at the bottom right corner of your screens. Okay, next up we've got the wire puller, and that's the image right here in the middle. Crimping tool was the next one, and that's the tool with the orange handles right here. The next was the tester, and the one once again in the middle of your screen. An easier one, knife, which was the second image from the right, and cutting pliers. Well, surprise surprise, we don't have anything left, so it has to be the one on the left side of the screen. Okay, so these were some of the tools that we talked about today. So this will be our last task for today, to complete this quiz. This is something that you can practice on your own. If you go to Quizizz.com and simply search for electrical equipment and tools, once you find this particular quiz, you can either practice the words with flashcards, or you can make a challenge. You can complete the quiz on your own. You can also challenge your friends to a quick quiz and see who does better. Right? So that was our session on electrical equipment and tools. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.